I've always loved Plouise Artists makeup skills, so today I'm trying to recreate one of their popular looks. So let's jump right in and see how well I do. What fascinates me so much about their makeup look is the eyeshadow application. The eyeshadow application is one vital part I love so much about Plouise Artists makeup look. So guys, let's dive right into it. So first of all, I'm drawing my eyebrow first with eye pencil. This is actually my own pattern. I did my own pattern because I really want to focus more on that eyeshadow application. This is a complete makeup tutorial, so if you want to learn how to wear your complete makeup, you should watch to the very end, as I didn't skip any part of my makeup application in this video. I tried to make it as detailed as possible, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you're just stumbling on my YouTube channel, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Gift Uchechi, and on this channel we do everything hair and makeup. So if you want to learn how to elevate your looks, then this channel is the right place to be. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button to be a part of this amazing community. Like, share to your friends, share to your family, share to your loved ones, comment. I want to hear your thoughts about this makeup. What do you think about the makeup? Is it a hit or a miss? I want to hear your genuine thoughts. And to my returning viewers, I just want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for always supporting your girl. Thanks for always coming back for my videos, because you're the reason I am here. So after drawing my eyebrow, I'm applying foundation on my face so that I can start blending it and continue with every other part of the makeup. I applied my foundation with my fingers before using my beauty blender to blend it through. I'm using eyeshadow primer because I'm going to be using matte eyeshadow for this application, matte and shimmer eyeshadow. Though Plouise used the wet form of eyeshadow, but I want to use matte and shimmer eyeshadow, the dry kind of eyeshadow. Please focus on the video as I'll be showing the colors I'm using for this makeup application. And if you have any question to ask or anything that is not clear, please put it in the comment section. I'll be here to respond to every one of you as much as possible. So this is white eyeshadow, or kind of off-white, similar to very light shade of green. So you can use any of that, it works also. This is white eyeshadow. So now I'm trying to contour my face because I want my face to be a little bit slimmer than it is. After that blending, now I'm just trying to draw my lower eyelid after drawing the upper eyelid with my eyeliner. The lower eyelid, I used eyeshadow for those parts because my eye is kind of sensitive, so you can also use eyeshadow as well. Now I'm lining my lips before I will apply my lipstick. So I use mascara in place of false lashes because I react to false lashes. So you can use mascara too and you will look as good as well. So guys, this is the final look of my makeup. How do you guys see the makeup application, the eyeshadow especially? I want to hear your honest review in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching to the very end, and I hope to see you in my subsequent videos. Thank you and bye.